So again, we have a job links. So this is for the SOC L1, which is probably for the freshers, right? They want 1 to 2 years experience. It's again SOC hai. Okay, you can fill the form. This one, tool.li IABPKQ, right? If you want any, if you have any questions or something, you can drop a message to him. But in case, like as I told you, there's a lot of hiring in SOC. But if you want, if you don't have knowledge, you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC, because we have started training of internship program, which is probably starting in 4 days. So this one will be helpful for you. Now, next one is cybersecurity engineer, Mumbai, freshers, right? This is for freshers. This one is also for freshers, right? So they want a cybersecurity engineer. CH will be a plus point. Okay, foundation tools knowledge is important. hr.ops@vinsacyber.com is the mail ID, and L1 security engineer is the role, right? His L1 is again the freshers role. Now next one is urgent hiring for VAPT person. Okay. Hands-on experience. They should be cloud VAPT, AWS, Azure, GCP, mobile app testing, Android IS, Mumbai based job on site, manish.art@address matrix3d.com. Next one is Softshell Technology Global Private Limited. L1 pen tester, 2 years experience. L2 one opening, 4 to 5 years experience. Source code auditor, one opening, 2 to 3 years experience required. So if you want to learn about web application pen testing, right, you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/TCI, right? And practical experts only should be there. No virtual interview, remote setting. It's offline, on site. HOF will be a plus point. Bounties will be a plus point. CB is a plus point. Heretical address of cell.com is a mail on which you did drop using. 13 impalent company it is, so it's plus point. Next one is source code review. Minimum 1 year's experience is required. Okay, and 1 year's experience and VAPT knowledge is also important. Okay, plus source code review. Okay. Pratham.pujari@matrix3d.com. So guys, Matrix3D is hiring for SOC and VAPT, so you can drop your resume here. Next one is cybersecurity engineer. Okay, flexible PTO, holidays, anvil secure.com/careers. Just check out this page if you want to apply. They are building diverse, whatever. Right? So that's all for you guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask.